Hi there, this is Deaney. In this video, we are going to make this version. So in the previous video, we have made this. This is actually like the second part of this series, or you know, the video tutorial for the giant stylized paper bleeding heart. So if you haven't watched the first part yet, then check out this link. But without further ado, let's go ahead and make this beauty. Alrighty, now we are going to do the open version of the paper bleeding hearts, the large paper bleeding heart. Stylized version because, you know, this is like, you know, geometrical. Okay, so we need 2 pieces of this, 2 pieces of this, 2 pieces of this, and then 2 pieces of this. And then this one, we made this in the previous video. Do check it out. I'll, you know, link it up here, and then I'll place the timestamp right here of where you can catch, you know, the assembly for this. If this is the first video you are able to watch. Without further ado, let us jump into assembling our open version of the large paper bleeding hearts. Let's go. Basically, the first steps is, you know, similar to the previous one, to the close one, just fold along the score lines. So let's do that for both. I did forget to mention that this will be like the inside, and this will be like, you know, the wings. And this one, we need this like the connectors or like the sides, so also do fold them. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I did forget to mention that this one also has like the connectors too, so also fold the connectors for the red one for the cover. Alright, so just do the procedure for the rest of the pieces. When you are done folding and preparing your pieces, it is now time to assemble. So let us start with the white one. Let's put this aside and let us work with this. Alright, so this will be very similar to this. So we are just going to close it. The only difference, this will be slightly smaller, like just by a bit. So if you ask me if they are of the same pattern, almost, this is just a bit smaller. So we are just going to assemble it, attach the flaps to the other sides and something like that. So let us proceed. Now let us attach them together. Yay! Okay, so we just gotta close this part. Alright, we are done with this. And let us proceed in assembling the wings or the cover. So let's put this aside and let's go. So basically this will be like half. We're not going to connect it like this one since it's gonna be the wings, so they will be like cut in half. So basically this will be like two pieces. So let's assemble one, and then, well, we're gonna assemble two, but I'm going to demonstrate assembling one. Okay, let's go. Basically, same procedure. Again, it's just gonna be half. So this is how it will look like. Just go ahead and make the other half. Oh my god, so it didn't record. But so you're just going to like put glue like here at the edge, like there, and then just attach it. Hold on, I'll see if I can like remove this. Ah, that sucks. Okay, so so put the glue here. I hate it when it doesn't record. There. And then we just insert it like this. And then just push it like there at the top. So just let it dry, and then you can open up like up until where you kind of want it. I think this is good. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is good. I mean, it's up to you. If you want to open it, then, you know, keep on opening up. But I think this is good. So what we're gonna do, I think it's better if we like attach it in the back. So this will be the back. And we're gonna attach it here. So that will hold up, you know, the wings. So attach it at the back. There. So that should hold up the wings. Okay, at this point, you can attach this, the tail, probably up until here. Or you know what, let's do this last. The last component that we need to make is the, I don't know, what should we call it? The things that, you know, go like this. Here it is. This is like a sample actually, and it will go, we're gonna cut, you know, the wire, but we're gonna insert it here. And it will go like that. So that's how it's gonna look like. Now, I did attach this using glue, tacky glue. It's okay. I mean, so you have the option of attaching it using tacky glue or glue. Let's try it with glue. So my flaps are a bit darker. Is it kind of visible? Yeah, it's a bit darker. Okay, so let's do this. Let's put this aside first. You know what, let's cut it in half. So we're gonna save on wire. And let's attach it like this. Yeah, with working with hot glue, you just gotta do it like fast. And what you're gonna do is immediately like curl it. So it will take shape. And let's just close this. There, this will go here. You might have to curl this more. So we are going to attach it here, but do the same procedure for the other one here. All right. Okay. And when you're done with yours, we just gotta attach it here. So let's do that. So here, so you see how it like tapers down. So we're just gonna add glue here. Attach it there. And lastly, we're just going to attach this here. Or sorry, like this. Actually, if you'll see, when it's open, so I think it can look like this. So yeah, it's up to you if you want it like this or you want it like this. Yeah, I think let's do it like this for this one. The snake head. And you can even actually color, because here it's like there's like a color. Yeah, it's really up to you. Let's do that. So let's close this and then let's color it like kinda, you know, pinkish. I'm just gonna add like glue here on top. Push it down. And then do the same at the back. Is this too short? Oh my gosh, it might be too short. Okay, I might have placed it too short. So you can just pull it down. Yeah, but anyhow, I'm not gonna change it or anything. Yeah, you can pull it down. Yours, you can pull it down. This is a bit short. Yep. Anyway, yeah, you have the option. So let us color this part last. Hold on, let me get... Will it be ugly if I color it? Let's try, and then it's up to you if you want to color. So I think this is a good color, like pale pink. Hold on. Let's see. It's like grayish. Like grayish pink. Okay, let's try. So just here. Oh, I think this is good. Ooh. This is called warm gray. And let's do it at the back. There we go. Okay. And probably let's add like some pink around it. Same here. So just like around it. So I'm just experimenting here. It's up to you if you want to add something here so it doesn't look like a snake head, or did it look like a snake head more? I don't know. To you to like really, you know, stylize it. Because in my previous one, this is actually like pink and I kind of colored this, but here let's try to make it simple. With this one, you can add, you know, a wire like here and then hang it. If you just wanna attach it, just put like, you know, double-sided tape or like command strip here, and then you're good. You can attach it on the wall. So here's our cutie. Again, I kind of like pushed this up a bit, so feel free to the, you know, like adjust the length. It's just kind of like pushed up, not really all the way. So this is the part where this will be like theoretically, just because I don't have like a project that I need to make like the stock, and making the stock will honestly take forever. I think I made like that project for like a week, just because there were, I don't know, 13 pieces of this. And as you know, this isn't like, it kind of takes time to make. It's like I will just discuss like theoretically what you're gonna do if you want to make like the stem version. I'm gonna mention like what I did with the first one. So I haven't used PVC yet. So what I did was it was a hose, like a garden hose. So it's like I used PVC for like the lower part, and then a garden hose for the stem. And then good thing there's like a hanging structure with like the backing, so I kind of like strung it with nylon string. Nylon meaning fishing line. Now that I am using like PVC pipe, of course you can like bend the PVC pipe, not so much though, because it's like if you want to do like that kind of long thing, you might need like a nylon string. So in the Philippines we call like fishing lines nylon. So it's, if ever like I say nylon string, it just means fishing line or fish line. Yeah, so the fishing line, you might need, you know, a structure like on the ceiling to kind of hold it. But yeah, that's basically it. You can use like a PVC or garden hose like what I did. You can attach like a wire at the back and then drill a hole in the PVC pipe and then attach it there. So, you know, those are the things that you can do if you want to do like the stem version. Again, I do not have a project for me to like make 13 of these. Yeah, so theoretically that's it. Anyhow, so thank you so much for watching our tutorial for the stylized version of the paper bleeding hearts. So do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and watch out for more video tutorials like this.